guys. So today, where are we going this Saturday morning?
We are going to
Go Let's go! Now, okay, we're gonna feed the goats. El Papa. The goat whisperer. Attack of the goat. Okay. Hey, no. Steak.
That's lamb chop, please.
Steak. You want to eat this then?
This, I think this is good, right? Now it's the end of the day, and then we got our cooked meals.
Okay, let's try it. Just. Oops.
I think quite nice.
Oops. Not sweet. Not so super nice lah. Okay, last thing can drink.
That's all.
Bye bye.